Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create this simple and beautiful flowers in oil pastels in our outdoor painting. So let's start with it. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Today we are painting outdoor and I'm making some flowers. I've just done a rough sketch and we'll be creating some flowers in oil pastels and a little bit of watercolors. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel musty fun. So I've just made some basic flowers. I'm just making an outline of it. And today we are doing things with oil pastels. Wow, the breeze is so good. I'm enjoying this. It's so much fun sitting in the park and making these beautiful paintings in the lap of nature. Greenery, fresh breeze. Wow, that's so much fun. Okay, I've done the basic drawing. Now what we'll do is we'll use oil pastels to color it and we can give the effect with the watercolors also. That's optional. That's perfectly optional. Okay, so I have these beautiful white, pink, purple flowers around me, so I'll be making them. So I'm using the pink color, a little bit of white color, and we'll give the depth. I'm starting with the pink color. And I'm adding a pinch of purple, tone of purple with these flowers. For the center part, I'm taking a little bit of mustard and shades of brown, and later I'll add a pinch of black to it. Now the next one, I'm making some shades of orange and red, tones of red will add. Just color them very neatly and don't be in a hurry to finish it. Give the depth to the flower. That is important. Don't color it with just one color. Add the depth to it. So to add the depth, I've added the red color. Just very simple drawing, adding the tones of dark brown. Now this one I'm using the yellow, shades of yellow. So this is springtime and you can enjoy the basic painting. I'm using a chrome yellow to give the depth to it. So just we can leave it like that also. We can add the depth with some watercolors. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, what you feel like. So just enjoy the process. Enjoy. It gives you peace of mind. It's so relaxing to sit in nature and enjoy painting. But outdoor painting के लिए you have to carry all your gears so that you can enjoy the painting to the fullest. So एक सिंपल बेसिक ड्राइंग कर लिया. अब मेरे पास ये मेरे ब्रशेस हैं, वाटर है. वाटर मैंने अपनी डॉटर की बॉटल से लिया है.
Can I talk?
एंड मैं जस्ट एक रफ, एक बड़ा बेसिक सा उसको एक इफेक्ट दे दूँगी. जस्ट द वाटरी इफेक्ट. आई एम डूइंग इट विद दीज वाटर कलर केक्स.
छोड़ो.
अच्छा, इसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि हमने जो हमारे ऑयल पेस्टल्स हैं दे आर ऑयल बेस्ड, और हम जो वाटर बेस्ड काम कर रहे हैं तो हमारे ऑयल पेस्टल्स के ऊपर कलर नहीं आएगा. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर वी हैव डन दैट रेजिस्ट आर्ट, उसमें कुछ हमने यही किया था.
Hello everyone.
So Anya wants to say hello to you all.
Hello everyone. Make sure to watch Lux on the Trail and subscribe it if you haven't.
I hope you will listen to what Anya is saying.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
So I'm just giving this so that it gives a very beautiful effect, and my flowers does not look just blank.
Hello everyone.
So that's Anna who wants to talk to you.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you didn't do it right now.
Okay, this is how our very simple flowers are looking. So this is what we have created in this lap of nature with these beautiful flowers. For all such kind of paintings, I hope आप सब ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा चैनल, और नहीं किया तो go do it right now. Okay? Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.